Fish on, fish on. I'm in. Yes.
Before this video continues, do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more future content. These clips were taken live on twitch.tv/AD. Guys, welcome to stream highlights number 2. Roll it.
Just got to the destination where I'm fishing. Bit of carp fishing, is it? It sure is, mate. Yeah, I've just got to the lake now. There's a lot of wind on the water as well. A lot. Just said on the radio as well, there's going to be storms, which isn't good. It's going to be really windy, so I really want to find a spot where the wind's driving in to the peg I'm going to be fishing. Launch. Don't think nobody's on the nobody's on the peg what I want, which is good. Just bear with me a sec. My waders on, so I don't get. Yo Pixel, what's up man? How you doing? Tell you what lads, it's fair windy. Oh my god, look how stiff my nipples are. That's some stiff nipples that man. It is fair cold, I'm not gonna lie. Right, I need to get all this. This is like the effort that I put into trying to do these fishing streams, man, but they're so worth it. The amount of gear that I have is ridiculous. Right guys, you're in my backpack here, so I'm gonna have to put you on my backpack. Can I do that? I've fished here many times and had some really nice fish. But yeah, it's actually nice. It's really nice weather. But guys, I'm going to be fishing. Right. You see this island over here? There's a concrete slab there where a lot of fish hold, and it's very deep water over there. So I think that I'm going to be fishing. I can only fish one rod. But I think I might try fishing there, but also as well, this little spot here, the wind is driving in this corner here, and you know what they say about fishing is always follow the wind, because fish tend to seem to do the same. So I think I'm gonna start off fishing just around here in this little alcove here, get some bait in, get set up, and hopefully we can get a bend in that rod. Fingers crossed. Anyway, what's up man? Okay guys, this is the rig I'm fishing. Right, I'm fishing my favourite, fishing a little 20 grams Preston's method feeder with a 4-inch hook length fluorocarbon, and I'm using a size 14's hook with a little band on the end. And yeah, we're going to be fishing banded pellet, banded wafter, and I might even switch it up and fish just sweet corn or bread. 230, holy shit, what the hell, 200, I have never had 230 people watching me fishing. This is like, what the hell man, Jesus bro. Well, but yeah, like you say, I'm into my my carp fishing as well, so I buy a lot of carp stuff as well. This stuff's really good guys. It's called crane attraction. Basically when you cast in the water, it looks like a lovely white mist in the water. And the fish love it. I mix it in with my macros. And then what you get, let me just roll my sleeves up. So there you go, when you press them together it looks like that, and then when it goes in the water it breaks down and looks like that on the waterbed. The fish come, suck it up, my hook bait's just hovering above it. I'm going to use a banded wafter starting off and hopefully we'll catch. But yeah guys, what you don't realise is as well, it's winter, it's a lot more difficult to catch fish. The fish slow down, the metabolism slows down, so I'll be lucky to catch today, but as long as I'm with you guys chilling, having fun, I don't mind. So there you go guys. Nice and simple. Beautiful. Not too wet. I think it still is a little bit too wet, but on that case, do you know what I like doing? Do it myself. I'm happy with that. A little bit came off at the time, but good.
So about an hour later, realising the wind was just driving in my face, I actually decided to move my my chair and my umbrella and sit on the opposite side so the wind was on my back. And yeah, we did not have a single bite for about an hour. But then, yeah, this happened.
Fish on, fish on. I'm in. Yes. Get in there. Oh wait, what is that? No, I've caught the worst fish ever. Guys. I've caught a bream. Oh man. No way, bro. Oh. Guys, I've caught the worst fish ever, man. I've caught the worst fish ever. No. Guys, no way. It's a nice fish. I'm not going to complain. But yeah, there you go, guys. A dinner plate. This is what we call a bream in the UK. They're like a pest fish. We don't like catching them because they just literally, there's no fight in them at all. But yeah.
So yeah, once I released that bream, we set the rod up again, recast in the same spot, and yep, this happened.
Your rod rips around and then it just keels over. You get no fight or anything. Single now. Oh my god, no way! Fish on. Yes! No, please don't be another bream. We've got a fish on, guys. We have got a fish on. Bro. No way, it's another bream. It's another bream. Are you joking me? Oh my god, the worst thing is they spunk all over your hands as well. There we go, guys. Two bream this stream. Feels bad, man. But a fish is a fish. It's not a blank, kind of ugly. He agrees with you. He's an ugly fish. Oh my god. Said that I'd get in the water. So I'm going to do that. Man. You missed another. It was another bream, boss. Another bloody bream, man. But guys, we've been live for 3 hours. I've been streaming for 3 hours. We've caught two bream. We've not blanked. Just want to thank you all for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the stream. And yeah, two bream. If you're not yet following the channel and you want to drop me a follow, please do so. But yeah, if you've missed the stream, exclamation mark YouTube in the chat. I'll put the video up on YouTube as a stream highlights video. But yeah, thank you everyone for watching, and I'll probably see you next time on stream live.